Is it possible for truck drivers to make $10,000 a month? Well, the short answer is yes, but it will depend. So let's break it down. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here in this YouTube channel, we're talking about how to make money, how to get to the financial freedom. If this is something you think you might be interested in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so next time when I post a video, you could be notified. Let's get to the point. Is it possible for truck drivers to make 10K in a month? The short answer is yes, but it will depend. It will depend on how many experience you have, how many years of experience you have. The more experience you have, more doors will open for you. More company will be trusting you on, giving you the equipment, okay, on giving you the trucks. So you gotta have at least some experience, okay? This is the first thing you need to understand. And the second thing is, what company you targeting? Are you targeting big companies or you targeting small companies? If you're targeting small company, it'll be better for you because small company paying more money. Big companies, they focusing more on upgrading the equipment instead of paying you fairly, or should I say, okay? So small company is the best way to go in order for you to make big money, okay? Experience first and small company paying more money than big ones. The big companies, I'm talking something like Prime, okay, or how do you call that one, CFI, okay, those companies. Small ones, you're gonna see them like they're not gonna be that popular. Okay, you have to think about what type of drivers you want to be. Are you interested in being a company driver? Because those are in correlation. You need to understand, if you don't have enough experience, you won't be able to make that much money in the trucking industry. And also the type of company you're willing to drive for, and also, what type of drivers are you? Okay, are you a company driver, or are you a lease driver, or are you owner operator? Each of those levels have the different type of amount of income that comes with it. Owner operator, means you have more responsibility over your equipment. You have to take care of most of, like 99% of the things. You have to take care of everything, things coming out of your pocket. It's almost the same as leasing operator, okay, when you lease. But owner operator, they be making more money. And then the second, leasing operator, and then the third is company driver, okay? They make less money than the other two. So you have to know which driver are you gonna be, and you have to also understand your ability to drive. Are you someone who can drive 500 miles per day, or are you someone who can drive less than that, or you can drive more than that? Me, I drive 700 miles for my shift. If there's no traffic, if the weather is good, okay, there's no inconvenience at all, I'll be driving 700 miles with 75 speed, okay, with a 75 speed limit of my truck, okay? So I don't have to go crazy, I don't have to drive like crazy. I can drive 70 miles per hour, depending on where I'm going. If the speed limit is as good as 70 to 75 miles per hour, I'll be driving a good mileage per day, okay? But if you're someone who cannot keep up with the mileage, after, like, let's say 3 hours, you're feeling sleepy, you won't be able to make that much money over the road. And the last thing I'll be focused on before I even think about how I can make $10,000 in a month will be, can you stay over the road for at least 3 weeks? Can you stay over the road for 4 weeks? Because if you're not gonna be able to stay over the road for at least 5 to 6 weeks, you won't be able to make that much money. It comes with that. So I'm not even talking about new drivers. I could be making another video on how much money new CDL drivers can make a month or a week. I don't know. You guys can leave me a comment down this this comment section, and I could make a video for new truck drivers, how much money they could be making for a month, or like, I don't know, for a week or something like that. But this video is specifically for people who already has experience and wondering like if they switch up, you know, to another company, will they be making more money? So it's really possible to make $10,000 as a company, as a truck driver, but it will depend on those aspects like I just mentioned in this video. Okay, so first of all, you need to know if you have enough experience, because they're not gonna just like give you the equipment for free. Any type of company you're gonna be driving for, they're not gonna just give you like the equipment and then be like, hey, I don't care. Like they will be doing a background check. They'll be checking like what company you'll be driving for, or like you'll be driving for, you know, from the past, and then they'll be making you do a test or something like that. Okay, they'll be like test driving and all of these things from the process. So to see like what type of drivers they're dealing with. I'm sorry. So you need to understand those things. Experience. What company you targeting? What company you willing to work with? Okay. What type of drivers are you gonna be? What type of driver are you gonna be? Company driver. You'll be paying less. You'll be getting less money. Are you someone who's willing to take risk? You're gonna lease a truck like I did, like I'm doing it right now with my co-driver. Okay, or are you someone who's bigger and taking risk, you know, by buying a truck? You know, higher reward, higher risk mean higher reward. So the higher like the risk will be for you, the more money you could probably be making if you know what you're doing. So this is all for today's video. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. I'll be checking out, I'll be answering all the questions, and leave this video a like, okay, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. It's getting dark out there. I can keep up with this video. Hopefully you learned something from it. Peace.